Where are we going? What's this thing called? Yeah, that's where we're going. Anyways, what up, ladies and gentlemen? We here.
I know. I remember.
What is
it? I remember now. It's called Cruisin California.
Cruisin California is where we're headed to. We got the Daytona 765 out. I know, like, it hasn't been on the video a lot other than the LED install, but we're taking her out. Kenny's got his H2. We got 2 unicorns out, and we're going to a car meetup. And we're going to go to somewhere in La Brea. Yeah, he's navigating because he has his phone mounted.
What?
Yeah, and then we're going to meet up with a bunch of cars, I guess, fancy cars, and then drive to San Clemente.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what's happening there, but we're doing that, and we all filled up. We're about to take off. Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, there. Thirsty girl.
If you don't take more than like 12 or 14 bucks, you definitely had plenty of fucking gas.
Dude, you don't know how quickly this bike runs out.
I'm watching the gas. What's the, how big is that tank? Bro, you used $4. You filled up. You had plenty of miles.
That's 1.5 gallons, dude. Like almost 1.5 gallons.
But that tank is like a 4-gallon tank.
Dude, it doesn't use all 4 gallons. At 3.5 gallons, my light comes on. That means I've got maybe a half a gallon left.
Bro, you put in a gallon. Not even. You barely put in over a gallon.
Okay, all right. You'd ride this bitch for a day and then run out of gas.
I won't run out of gas. That has plenty of fuel.
No, it's not. It's not enough.
I don't believe you, sir. I call bullshit. I call bullshit.
It's not enough.
He says the same thing about his R1. Meanwhile, I could take his R1 all the way from his house to my house on one tank.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
That's because you ride like a little bitch.
Nah. I ride, and I make it all the way. Okay, I make it to like right before my house before I have to fill up.
Yeah, and right before your house. The only reason I fill up at that Shell station off the 215 is because I don't want to run out of gas in the desert getting to your house. We got 3 miles.
All right, let's do it.
And I'll fill up again. I'm telling you, man, this bike runs out fucking fast. And when you get down to the end, it like feels like it goes even faster.
I got bullshit.
Yeah, whatever, man.
What?
Whatever, Mr. Fucking 150 miles. This guy doesn't know about the struggle. This guy just doesn't know. Because all of his bikes are fucking super econo-friendly.
What
are you doing way back there?
I don't know. I'm doing what you do in Call of Duty.
What?
You're always so far away. What are you doing, Kenny? We need your help over here, Kenny. What are you doing over there, Kenny?
I was holding down the spot, and then all of a sudden you guys just dip out. And why are you bringing up bullshit?
Goddamn, being short sucks.
You're so tiny. You're just a little guy. Little guy. Ooh, L&O Barbecue's right there, too.
Yep. I wonder if they're open. Because we're early, so we got plenty of time.
We got plenty of time. I'll be down for that, dude.
Well, we are here.
We're here.
And we're going to go see if L&L's open.
Look at that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back and look at cars.
Yeah.
Let's go food.
Let's go food.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we here. We finally had the car meet. My beard is tangled as shit. We're drinking some coffee. Then we're gonna go look at some cars and see what they got here. So far, we're the only 2 motorcycles here, but hey. Just showed up. I'm not gonna lie. I've used that line.
Have you?
I've used that line. It just showed up, babe. I don't know. All right, guys. So we've kind of gone through all the cars here for now. They're not leaving until 12, and it's a pretty big ride. But we're gonna go grab some food, and then I still gotta go talk to the rap dudes, talk to them, because I need to get the bike wrapped still, and then go from there. All right, looks like we got a couple more bikes here. Another H2. We got Kenny's H2, and then this dude's H2. Look how freaking, look at that shine, dude. That's a mirror finish right there. That is dope. GhostNinja and a Busa.
it makes mine look dirty.
All right, guys, we're about to take off here for this little ride. There's a little bit of police activity around here, but it's not too crazy. Got a few bikes, 2 H2s. You got my beautiful bike, if I do say so myself. A Busa, and the ZX6R. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. It's a little warm out.
It is a little warm right now. Oh, police!
Where?
Oh, what's up with the hallway?
Oh, I don't know. On the other side? Yeah.
Yeah. Supra, that's what it's called.
Yeah, the Supra. Toyota
Yeah.
Supra. Are you talking about the green one?
I said that green one, yeah, whatever that green thing is.
Yeah. That bike, that car is not gonna hang with him.
I'm not doing that.
It's not like he's gonna hang with him. I want to see this.
Nope, I'm not getting in the middle of that. Nope.
He didn't even get close to him. He fucking smoked him, dude. That was hilarious.
They're trying to race again.
I don't think so.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah, they are. Dude, I do want to see that. That's some good footage.
I do want to see it, but at the same time, I don't want to get in the middle of the fucking headset. This McLaren up here, man.
I can't get up there. Hold on.
Oh my God, look at that. That is beautiful.
Ooh. That is dope.
Yeah.
Some nice cars. Oh,
We're
that's...
going to the McLaren Newport, right?
Yes, McLaren Newport. Cop was looking at you.
Who?
The cop was looking at you. I think he was trying to tell, is he black? Is he white? Do I pull him over? You might want to get off it and do it this way.
Yeah.
All right, so we're at the second spot in Newport Beach, I think it is. So basically just like a rally point. Basically just getting everyone back together before we go down to San Clemente. I think from here we take the 1 or something. We go down the coast all the way down. It's a bit toasty out. A lot of cars. The ride here was pretty good, as you guys saw. Kind of interesting. Different riding with cars and bikes, and it's just weird. So not a lot of bikes here. Definitely a big police presence. Not as big as LA Tennessee, but there's definitely a police presence.
Yeah. What did you do to fuck that up?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, well, we finally made it. As you can see, we're here. We got a little lost, but we still made it here. About to go walk around, take a look, see what the deal is. Oh man, you can't see the ocean from here.
Kind of.
Is that more parking?
You're just short. You can't see over the wall.
Fuck you.
I love these swings, man.
Yeah, man, I fucked up.
I fucked up somewhere. I think when I should have zagged, and now I can't afford that.
Oh, it's been pretty cool, man. We got a little bit lost, but I think that's part of the experience, riding around. We met some new people riding. Had some fun. I think we're gonna find lunch. Although I don't want to eat too much because I got a long ride back.
Yeah. Are you gonna take the Ortega Highway? Because that's a 76, like all the way your way.
Probably that.
It's the quickest way.
I'm just gonna put on the GPS and do what that bitch tells me to do. Do what that bitch tells me to do.
What my computer tells me.
I'll listen to what my supercomputer tells me to do. For those of you guys watching, I'll put the footage in right here of how we went to work on this. The work. Hey, I smoked them too. Yeah, I did. I smoked them. Yeah, we were all lined up. And I was like a car behind him.
I said,
And then I said, bitch. Oh, look at the Viper.
yeah, I want to go look at this trunk.
Look at this. Look what you got. What you got? Oh shit.
You won't race it. You won't race it. You won't race it, bro. You mean back
You
wheel?
got like slicks.
Oh, shit.
No balls.
Huh?
No balls.
No, but
He smoked me.
Yeah.
Get a Hellcat. Do you ever see the video of the Hellcat running from the police?
No.
There's a video of a Hellcat running from a helicopter, and the helicopter can't keep up.
No shit.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we ended up walking around, just grab some water, but I think we're gonna end it here. End the day. It's good times riding with my boys, and all these bikes over here. This was dope. A lot of fun. Good Sunday. That's how you end a weekend. So next weekend we're gonna be doing the 1K. That's gonna be brutal. But we'll be doing that on the GSX. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the Daytona out. I don't take it out much, but I did find someone that's gonna wrap it, and they're gonna wrap the entire bike for about $1,200, which I think is a good deal. So they came in, since I had the bike, he was able to look at it. He said it's about $1,200. He texted me the quote, so I'm good there. And I don't know, with that said, hopefully you guys ride safe. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, do whatever you do. And until next time, peace.